My dear friends, welcome back to Bee Spice. In this session, we'll discuss about cable schedule. So this is one of the items which was pending for a long time. So I decided to, upload this today. Okay, friends. So we are going to discuss about this cable schedule with a live example. So allow me to toggle to that screen. Okay, friends. Okay, just hold on. I will share the screen. Yeah. So hopefully you can view this. Can you all see, right? Yes. Okay. So in the cable schedule, friends, first, the first sheet. So one moment. Yes. So in the first sheet, you can see here, this is the general nodes. So of course you have your owner, client, location, job number, document number, revision number, all these, and you'll have a general nodes. So nodes in the sense, what is the spare quantity? Okay, in my case, for example, 10% spare. Yeah, you can put it as 20%. Yeah, normally 20%. And also, some of the, what do you call this being this is followed for a what do you call brownfield project. So that is why I also added this item. Temporary removal of tags, tried cables for RTD, power cable are not included. Of course, if it is a new project, you can include actually, right? Yes. The cable quantity is in the summary sheet, which we will talk later. And in this cable schedule, the scope of supply as existing instrument is indicated for information only. Meaning this being a brownfield project, I added this. For if you are following for a new project, no need of this. Okay. And also the spare terminals are used to connect the new instrument as per the physical location. This is also applicable for new old project. I mean the brownfield project. Then the cable quantity for temporary removal instruments are on assumption basis. This is also applicable only for brownfield. So no need to add for the new project. Okay. And also the cable, how you are connecting. For example, the speed sensor cable shall be terminated at the MDF, marshalling, and shall be connected to the speed transmitter that is located in the CCB, meaning this is a central control board. Okay. This is just an example. What I have followed and what was applicable, I added here. Okay. And also 100 meters 10 pair non-IS cable shall be loose supplied to vendor for cross wiring between the marshalling terminals. Yeah, this is for a cross wiring. If there is a cross wiring involved, you need to add on those nodes also. Okay. And termination and routing shall be in vendor scope of supply. That depends on your scope. So this is all about the general nodes. It's not limited to this. You can add. And the point is there is a sheet for nodes. Nodes. Okay. Then we come the instrument cable summary basically. Again, the cover sheet. I mean the header is same. Owner, location, job number, all this. Okay, friends. Right. So yes, here if you see here, friends, serial number. Of course, you have a cable type. Okay, you see here. Two core, non-IS. This is control, control. That is why I don't know whether it is visible. I'll make it bigger. Yeah, control, 2C, two core, non-IS. Like that, signal, single pair IS. Like that, you have to make out the cable type actually. Okay, come out to the cable type. Then you have a cable description. So basically it's all like two core, right? 2.5 square mm. What is this XLPE? All these actually. Right, friends? I think we missed out something. No, right. Yeah, we are okay, right? Yeah. So XLPE, earth lead, SWB, okay, PVCS, FRTT, as per your cable description. All these you can add on here. Okay, right. And here, the quantity of the instruments and quantity for the new instruments. This is for temporary removal. So it is being a brownfield project. I put it as new instruments and temporary removal, all these. But in your new project, you don't have to put all these. You can put only the final quantity. So basically, this is the summary sheet. So basically, this is driven. This total is has come from this actually this sheet. That is a point. This sheet you can see here. I will explain that. So the point is here, the summary, all these will come. Okay, right, friends. I hope it's clear, right? Then you have the abbreviation. Abbreviation in the sense, you see here the nomenclature like, except PEI, polyethylene insulated. So insulation, XLPE, cross-linked polyethylene, right? All these you have to add on here. MS, metal screened, HDPE, high density polyethylene, all these, whatever is there, SWA, steel wire armor, SWB, steel wire braid. We have discussed here, right? SWB and all. Yes, that is the explanation here. Okay. So all these abbreviation you have to add on here, friends. So this is about the summary. Okay. Then we can go into the main part. Okay. So the main part, friends, if you look at it here, see the unit, which unit, and the scope. Scope means for example, scope data. See, like for example, you can come down here. You see here, this is the one. From where it is? From where? From where you are actually populating this. Okay. For example, this is for this particular instrument. If you want, you can add this. Otherwise, no need actually. Okay. So probably this is probably a package. Yeah. That is why I put it as vendor. You see here? Yes. So that one you can add on. And additionally, we can also add the scope of supply. So meaning whether it's a EPC scope or vendor scope, those things you can qualify here. These are all some external addition. And from here, it is straightforward. PID, P&ID number, references, right? Then you have this field tags. This is all position switch. Maybe I'll go to some transmitter so that to have a clarity. Yeah, you can see here the field tag number. Okay. Then you have the instrument type. Okay. You have the instrument type. Then from field to DCS, or sometimes, you see here, this is a valve, right? So from DCS to field, positioner, right? Yes. So from to, then location, yeah, where it is located. Of course, this is located at field, yeah. Then rack location, this is in the CCB, central control, central control. Yeah, you can see the summary also, the abbreviation CCB, anything is there? No, it's not there. Okay. Central control board. Okay. Yeah. Basically control room. Then IO type, of course, this is analog. So analog input. Then comes the main important item. You see JB. You have to provide the JB number, and also you have the secondary cable, meaning from JB to field instruments, right? That is the one. So sometimes we can have a separate for, secondary cable, a separate schedule for secondary cable, meaning from junction box to the field. That is okay. Or you can have a combined. In my case, I combined everything. So this is the secondary cable from junction box to the field instrument. This is my length. And what type of cable here? As you can see here, signal cable, single pair, non-IS, like that. Whether it's IS or non-IS, all these type we have to put it. Okay. Then comes the main cable length. So this is my main cable. Okay. I combined both secondary and here. This is secondary and this is main cable. So what is this main cable? You see here, this is also signal cable 20 pair non-IS. Okay. Then what is the cable number? So this is the cable number. Okay. So we are normally assign actually. We have to assign this cable number 21E136 based on your nomenclature, whatever you follow in your project. See, 21 is nothing but the unit actually. Okay. And another one, probably this E136 is related to the junction box. One moment. Yes, you see here, 136. So E136. So the unit is 21 and E is related to the E136 is related to the junction box. Okay, friends, clear, right? Then the drum number, of course, the cable drum number you can add on here, and where it is connected. See, this is a signal 20 pair, right? So where it is connected? This is connected to the marshalling cabinet 616, for example. Okay, that's all, friends. So this is how we need to develop the cable schedule. Very simple, isn't it? Yes. So this is about the cable schedule main part. Then if there is anything between interbuilding, like a CCR1 to CCR2, like that, if there is interconnection also, same way. Unit number, scope data, scope of supply, P&ID, field tag number, instrument type, and cabinet, from which cabinet and where this cabinet is located. And of course, the cable number, yeah, based on the, tagging. And this is, for example, 20 pair. Then where it is connected, you see cabinet 1, MDF 622, and this is MDF 1115. This is in a different location. So this is in CCB, this is in FAR 500, for example. So that is also you can add on. So in my case is all existing cable I identified and put in. So if you are laying a new cable between the building to building, you can put in, friends. That's all, friends. I hope is clear for you, right? Okay. So yes, that's it actually. That's all I have on this cable schedule. Thank you very much again for watching. Yeah, keep supporting and keep watching. I'll next I'm planning to focus on QC, QC quality control check sheets for field instrumentation. For example, if you go and see the field instrument, what type of QC checks you need to do, and if you take the DCS system, what sort of QC checks you need to do for cable tray, for valves, all these one by one. I'm planning to upload it, friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.